Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tech 5, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to clean the drone gimbals. Either you have a Mavic or a Parrot or any other drone, you guys got gimbals. And this will apply to DJI as their gimbals, I don't know if you guys could see here, are attached by rubber bands. Right there, if you could see. And to clean them and around them, it gets kind of hard and tricky. So I'm going to do a review on how to do it. So as you could see in front of me, I got the air duster, and don't use it. Why don't use the air duster is because when you spray it, the duster sprays cold air. And what cold air does to a rubber band, it freezes the rubber band, and eventually the rubber band will just tear apart, and yeah, your gimbal will fall out and you need new rubber bands, and it's a whole mess to fix it. So instead, check this out. This is a air compressor pretty much, but with just natural air. So you just squeeze it and the air comes out. It's designed as a rocket, so it just stands. I got this on Amazon for like $8. So now check this out. Check the difference between the compressed air and this one. So if you have dust anywhere in your gimbal or anything, you just spray it and the dust will come out pretty much from everywhere. You could even put it all the way to not damage the gimbal. And this is how you clean the gimbal from dust and everything. You don't need no air compressor. Don't use napkins, because if you do use napkins, you're gonna get in and you're just gonna start damaging your gimbal pretty much. So that's pretty much it. Very simple and easy solution to cleaning your drone's gimbal, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. See ya.